Well, so the thing about getting money is there's only one way to get money. This is capitalism. Capitalism is based around consent, right? And this is kind of the beauty of capitalism. In capitalism, you have a buyer and you have a seller, and both parties must consent to the transaction, right? So if you want to make $1 million, the only way to get money, getting money in a capitalist system is there's one way to do it, and it's convince others to give it to you, right? You can't make money. You can't produce your own money. There is one way to get money, and that's to convince other people to give it to you. Yeah, welcome to NBA bullshit, right? So if you have, two people and one guy's selling an apple and it's $10 and the other guy's like, I'll give you $5 for the apple, the seller can now say, okay, I consent to your $5, or I don't consent, and there's no transaction. Beautiful, right? Getting money in a capitalist system, convince others to give it to you. So to answer your question, how do you make $1 million from a product? Well, so you can kind of, all right, ready for some MBA bullshit? I'll give you some real MBA bullshit. So you can think about who you want to target your product to. You can either make $1 from 1 million people, you can get $1 million from one person, and then there's a whole spectrum in the middle. Let's say $1,000 from 1,000 people, right? And you can think about basically how much effort you're willing to spend on the sale in each case, right? So here, tons can be spent closing the deal. Here, maybe one phone call. Maybe, let's say, a couple phone calls can be spent closing the deal. And this can be like online only, right? So how do you make $1 million from a product? Well, you can either convince 1 million people to give you $1, you can convince 1,000 people to give you $1,000, or you can convince one person to give you $1 million. Right? There's no other way to do it. Now make it look fancy. Put a Lambo on the background and post to Instagram as the new Warren Buffett. Yeah, I mean, but like this stuff is so simple. I don't know how anybody's stupid enough to pay for MBAs that basically like here you go. There you go. There's basically everything you need to know, right?